Ever feel that slight pang of anxiety when you're about to use your card online or tap it in a new store? We've all been there. In a world of digital transactions and online shopping, the question of how secure is my money is more important than ever. So, let's talk about the Mamo Pay card. Is it truly safe? What layers of protection are in place to keep your finances secure? The Mamo Pay card isn't just a piece of plastic, it's a financial tool built on a foundation of security. The first and most important thing to know is that Mamo is a fully regulated and licensed financial entity. They operate under the watchful eye of the Dubai Financial Services Authority, DFSA, which means they adhere to strict standards for everything from safeguarding your money to operational procedures. This isn't a small detail, it's a massive green light that tells you they are trustworthy and legitimate. Now, let's dive into the practical security features you'll actually interact with. The Mamo card is a Visa card, and it leverages Visa's 3D Secure, 3DS, protocol. What does that mean for you? It's an extra layer of protection for your online purchases. When you're shopping online, 3DS might prompt you to confirm your identity through a one-time password, OTP, sent to your phone. This simple step ensures that even if someone has your card number, they can't complete a transaction without your phone. It's a powerful deterrent against online fraud. Beyond the digital realm, Mamo provides you with an incredible amount of control. Through the Mamo dashboard, you can manually freeze your card at any time. Lost your card? Misplaced it at a restaurant? No problem. A quick tap in the app and your card is instantly unusable for any purchases. This feature gives you immediate power to protect your money from unauthorized use. But what if you don't catch a suspicious transaction in time? That's where Mamo's automatic freezing comes into play. Their risk team constantly monitors your card for unusual spending patterns. If they detect something out of the ordinary, your card will be automatically frozen and you'll be notified immediately. This proactive approach means Mamo is watching out for you 24/7, even when you're not. Mamo also takes fraud protection seriously in other ways. They have internal and external fraud monitoring systems that work in real time. They use secure access methods like passwords and biometrics, and they are committed to never asking for your password, PIN, or personal information over the phone. They even go so far as to offer tips to protect yourself from common threats like phishing scams. They're not just building a secure product, they're educating their users to be more secure, too. In short, the Mamo Pay card is more than just secure, it's built to be a reliable and safe tool for both personal and business use. From regulatory oversight and industry-standard security protocols to user-controlled features and proactive fraud monitoring, Mamo has put multiple layers of defense in place to protect your funds. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.